Hello guys, hope you have a nice day and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you guys making a good trades with the prediction that I made a few weeks ago about gold. And yes, it happens and exactly what I said. But if you don't know what happened before and if you haven't checked my video about gold, you can now watch it on top right. I will recommend it for you on recommendation and you can watch it. So exactly what I said happened, and as you guys can see, the race point and also the maximum point hit it, and we can expect that market will do the same thing. But now let's have a better, technical views of these moves. First of all, I said before, we only care about market structure, which the way I trade is Z method that I made by myself, and it's included market structure. And I want to share that this is the way I trade. You can trade millions of, you know, ways of trading and strategies and trading styles or whatever. For now, we have a classic model here. As you can see, our dynamic SR breaks here, and it's really common to see. But what will happen after that? Guys, we have two scenarios for healthy market condition. I'm not saying that first scenario will have, for example, 60% of, you know, uh, accuracy, or it will happen 60% or something like that. I will just say about each of these, scenarios can be 50-50. So overall, as you guys know, I'm pretty sure about one thing in trading, and it's dynamic SR. I can say that it's easiest thing that you can trade with. We have a dynamic SR breaks here on daily time frame, and we have our interest points here. But there is one golden, or we can say something huge happens here. Market, after making the high that I predicted, which you can watch the gold video that I shared about it, a couple of videos that I made and I shared about it. There is one thing. We have now one good zone here, and as I said before, we will have retrace. I didn't change any of these, I just changed their length. So this is the same as I drew them on last video. So overall, one thing is very important for me personally is this dynamic SR, and market hits here. We can have two potential moves, and if I want to say, after this move goes there, and then we can have one scenario for this, and another scenario is not that. It will be like 50% or 60%, then going out. These two moves are for bearish scenario. But personally think that one important thing, market, it's my opinion. In my opinion, just going around 40 or 50%, for example, around here, will be, let me make here, around this zone, which will be 4,128, like 4,100 till 4,150. This zone will be interest point, if I want to say, because I can do some mathematics for you. Let me find the volume tool here. Yes, we have fixed range, and we will use it from this move to this move. And as you guys can see, we have interest point here, and also we have two more zones that important for us. This zone, which will be our retrace, that will important, but another zone will be important too. if you do this from the first thing, here we will have this rate. As you can see, market is now showing respect to it and getting this number again. And if you ask me what will happen if we, continue this to this, and boom, this is the maximum that we can expect. But now if you change this from this one till this one, market now made the move for bearish, potential scenario. And that's why I'm saying that 50% of the last move, which will be here, 50 or 60%, will be enough. But if market wants to go crazy, it can go up to 4,300 again, and then, be bearish. But it's my personal opinion. But in my opinion, it will happen soon, and we will have again numbers of 3,000, 3,600 and 700 very soon. Overall, this is how you can predict the market if you want to predict gold moves or other assets. But let's check another potential, we can say potential move. If market wants to go up and keeps continuing keeps continuing this, it should only break the last H, the last high. This is the break, zone. BZ. Break zone. If this breaks, we can expect around 5,000 even. Yeah, like that. My personal prediction will be like this. If we want to go that high, for example, after breaking this, we can expect 50% of this move again. This is the move, and if we want to make it for 50%, it will be like that. And for scenario, bullish scenario will be around 5,000. Max bullish, max bull, in my opinion, for the next one. But for now, it's like this. And if you ask me which scenario will be, has more accuracy or probability, in my opinion, this one. I can say that 50% of last year. Yeah. This is the last thing that I can say, but this is how market will react in my opinion. Again, I'm saying that it's my opinion, so you can think about it. You can say that yes or no. You can have your own, for example, idea, but this is my personal opinion. And if I want to make this zone, for example, this is the zone that will be okay for it. Let me write text. Next move, next bull or next bullish, and this will be like next bear probability. Yeah, here I will mark them, and we can watch these in future and we can see if it happens or not. But this is only my prediction. 3 scenarios, 2 of them is bearish and 1 of them is bullish. So overall, if you ask me, will market make a range, for example, here? Yes, it can happen like this, but we are talking about one major thing. We are talking about market movements. We are not talking about some channels or some sideways markets. That's really obvious. So overall, hope you have a nice day and enjoying this video. If you have any questions, ask me, I will answer. If you need free coaching online for trading, and if you don't know where to start, I'm here to help you for free, and our coaching session will be free. And overall, hope you have a nice day and having a great trading career.